Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a Fligner-Policello test using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. The video will focus on obtaining the output, not so much if you should be using this test or how to exactly interpret the output. My add-in is available at my GitHub account, so if you go to the link you can download the file, then open Excel, go for File Options, Add-ins and Go. Then browse to your downloaded file and it should give you access to all my additional functions that I made, including a function called TS Fligner-Policello. Of course, use this at your own risk. To show you how this can be used, I have some data in columns A and B. In this case, students only selected male or female, so that's binary, and I have an ordinal field over here. You might notice this is text, so I also actually put the coding in the proper order. The function is fairly straightforward. You just type in the function name and then the range of the categorical data. Do use a specific range, so not an entire column AA, but really A2 till, in this case, A56. Then the one that has the scores. If you have more than two categories, you can specify with categories which two categories you want to compare. And because I'm not using numbers in my ordinal, I did specify the levels, which is then having the categories in the proper order. The output will simply show the sample size that was being used, so how many cases actually used in the calculation, the test statistic, and the p-value, and a small description of which test was used. You might notice, by the way, that I'm using a semicolon to separate variables parameters. In your system it might be a comma. This 1.8 with e minus 0.5 means we still have to divide this 1.8 by 10 to the power of 5, so it's actually very, very small. Lower than the usual threshold of 0.05, so we would speak of a significant result and say that the two groups think significantly different on the mixed number of activities. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Thank you for watching.